Hello guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. I will show you this game I made in Unity. It is very cool. So this is the main menu where you have 3 buttons. So if I click on the options, we have this slider which you can play around. Does nothing but really cool. And if I hit play, then we can play the game. And it is an FPS controller, so you can move back and forth, you can climb up this slope, and we have this weapon right there, and you can spin it around with weapons away. You can also jump platforms, and there's that middle dot in the middle, that is the crosshair. And you can also slide and crouch. I go here and crouch, and you can slide under it. So yeah, that's cool. And then in here, if I click on these boxes, I can grapple. Okay, so let me tell you the story of how I made this game. So back then I played around with Unity and I figured that I can make this FPS controller game. So I don't know how to make an FPS controller back then, so I followed Danny's tutorial on how to make the FPS movement, and it was pretty good. And then I decided to upgrade it and follow the grappling gun tutorial, and then I added some post-processing to make the game even better. And then I saw that the weapon wasn't cool enough because it doesn't have any animations. So then I added some weapons away, so you can move it around like that. And then I wanted to add a main menu, so I followed Bracky's tutorial, and all of the tutorials I mentioned here, by the way, are linked in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching.